Hi, welcome to Angel Water. I'm Andrew Wilson. I'm the owner of Angel Water, and I'm honored that we have you as a client. We find it a privilege to serve you, your family, your home, and the environment. Tomorrow you're going to have a service call or a water educator out to your home, and our ultimate goal is to bring you healthier water and your family this healthier water. Now, you can help us make this water more healthy by reporting any of the following issues that you might have. Now, from your home's perspective, if you've noticed anything like white film on your dishes, white spots on your dishes, your silverware, you have white spots, your glassware, there's white spots. If you've noticed the dishwasher has a white film around that rubber black ring, which is the seal, that's an issue. If you've noticed that, let's say in a shower stall, you have the glass that's got a lot of white spots on it, or the handle has a lot of white spots. Let's say the faucet itself or the shower head itself has got a bunch of holes that are clogged in it. Those are things that's just barely spitting at you. You know, that can be an issue that a lot of clients complain of, and we need to know those things. If you've noticed orange staining in your shower, that's another indicator. If you use your toilet and you notice that you have a gray ring in your toilet, or you've got gray streaks, maybe they're orange in color, those are indicators that the water filter system is not working correctly. So we need to know that. From a laundry perspective, if you're doing laundry and you find that your colors just aren't coming out colorful enough, if you find that they're coming out dull, if your whites are coming out gray or orange, we need to know that, because we can certainly help make sure that we protect your investment in those things by you sharing that information with us. If, for instance, you've had an increase in costs on your, let's say, electric or gas bill, a lot of times water people don't even realize this, but the water heater is metal on the bottom. We have flames and we heat the metal, but a lot of times rock literally falls off the water droplet, lands on the bottom of the water heater, and we get a huge rock layer there. So now we're heating the metal and then the rock and then the water, and gas prices go up. Electric prices, if you're going to have electric heat, water heater, that's a big thing that can go up, and that can happen a lot, especially in our Florida market. If you've noticed that your humidifier has been needing more service, or you have to replace that filter and it's clogged up and the drain's clogged up, that's an indicator that will help us understand what you need. Now, regarding your health, which is of course the part that I'm most passionate about, because as some of you might know, my background was in healthcare. If you've had dry, itchy skin and you're like this a lot, or you're buying more skin lotion, that's a concern of ours. We want to know that. If you have dry, brittle hair, if you have split ends, maybe if you go to see a hairstylist on a regular basis and they're trimming once a month your hair, the ends of your hair, and they're doing deep conditioning treatments, those are indicators that it's actually your water. Also, maybe you're just not hydrated enough. One of the things that we always recommend for people is that you drink half your weight in ounces a day. So that can also strengthen your hair follicle. Maybe you have hair loss. Hair loss can be a big issue, because a lot of clients have found from their doctors that a lot of calcium in the water can clog the pores of your skin or the follicles and clog that so your hair doesn't grow. Mine is actually from, hereditary, but whatever. Who's making fun of that, right? If you've had eczema, psoriasis, or acne, those are things that can literally be a concern for you as well that you want to share with us. Sharing any of these will help our team make you, your home, and your family way more healthy. And in the long run, you'll buy less plastic water bottles, which will make the environment more healthy. That's one of our big passions. If you live on city water, please click the link below. The first link is going to get you to our website, where you can pick the city that you live in, and you're going to see what contaminants are in your water. Our water educator will be able to make sure that you have a certified NSF system that will be able to take out those contaminants out of your water. So I want to empower you to know what's in your water and question whether or not the system is actually taking it out. If you, however, live on well water, the second link below you can click, and it's going to go to the EPA website. And the EPA website is going to bring you to this document. On page 5, 6, and 7, it's going to discuss what things you should test for. Because, by the way, it also says to you, you're the water authority for your family. Actually, we sort of feel like all of you are. So whether you're on city water or well water, you're the water authority for your family. So A, if you're on city water, check to see what's in your water, make sure we're taking it out. B, if you're on well water, click this guide. It teaches you about well water, teaches you about your responsibilities, and on page 5, 6, and 7, it says that you should do a full test like this that the EPA requires all municipalities to do. Now, if you do that test with our rep, they're going to be able to report back to you after a couple weeks what's in your water, and you're going to make sure that your family is good to go and you have healthy, clean water. So it's really important to do that. Without that test, we don't really know what's going on with your water. So again, it's your job as a water authority for your family to do that water test. And then you can give us guidance as to what you want. So with that said, we are totally looking forward to seeing you tomorrow. We're grateful that you're a client, and together we hope to make your home, your family, and the environment more healthy. I'm Drew. If you have any questions, give us a call at 847-382-7800 or visit us on the web at angelwater.com.